ko Sisi'uno Helu.
Thank you, Sia. Your Royal Highness Crown Princess Natakala and Honorable Lupe Pa'u. I have two musical offerings for tonight with my sister and also a guitarist. Firstly, if we may be allowed to take everyone to Europe because we want to perform a French aria. Bizet's very famous Carmen's Habanera. Bizet lived at the border between France and Spain. And one day he wanted to venture into Spain and adopted all the music and the dance of Spain, and as a result, wrote this opera. Second song is a prohibited Tongan love song. I was introduced to this song by my friend Gary Lavaki. There was one night we were playing and jamming in Atenisi, and my father walked in and he said, "Did you guys know that song is prohibited?" And we said, "Oh, we didn't know." But he said it was written by Pitavi. Tahine Princess Kalauni, whaaimua ke maha ki ngofua, ke whakatau kea te mau ki hiwa he whiawhini, hokai ko ha whia ilo ilo, pe hokai ko ha kai momua. Pe ka pao e kai momua sai pe koe talai au ha'apai, mau tuu, ha'apai tuu ho kai mua. Koe ula ki hiwa, koe hiwa whakawhalanse. Koe tangata ko Bizet, na e alu ki sepeni o mai e whaingaongo a sepeni mo nau taolunga, o whaua ke hiwa, koe Habanera. Ko no whakawhalanse o kui koe L'amour est un oiseau Rebelle. Koe o wha o kuhangeha manu puna o ku whaiteli hape ne puna holo. Pe koe hiwa lewa hono hoko, koe hiwa whakatonga, o ku wha ikai ke ngofua ke tāhele te o kui koe mafoa aiata. Pea koe whaoia a Pitavi. Pea te ukole ke a Tolomake, ke lava mai o whakahoko ura ki wā, pe koe hiwa hono wā te mau whakahoko atuia pea mo i ka manu tuipolotu. Malo au Pita.
de toi.